This video provides a high-level demonstration of Draftable's new Redline in Email Outlook add-in. With Draftable, you can say goodbye to copy-pasting text from emails, manually marking up replies to colleagues, and instead enjoy fast, secure redlining where you already work. Outlook. Let's start by seeing how you can redline unmarked email changes from others. This email has made changes to the earlier message in the conversation below. Normally, we would manually review the email against the earlier version, but with Draftable, it's so much easier. Simply open the add-in from the ribbon menu and select Compare against earlier email. Draftable automatically identifies a previous email to compare with, but if it compares against the wrong email, you can select Change Baseline and choose a different one in the conversation. Let's see all changes since the first email. With the changes identified, we can now select Accept or Reject changes to begin finalizing the email. Users can reject any irrelevant or unsuitable changes and focus on accepting only substantive changes in the email. After completing a review, you can create a new email to share with another colleague or external party. If there are any unaccepted changes, Draftable will provide a warning to the user. Now we'll demonstrate how you can provide clear markup of your changes when writing replies. On screen, we have an email from a colleague requesting a review of their draft and any required changes to be redlined in the reply. First, let's hit Reply and make a couple of changes. Next, we'll open up the Redline in Email add-in and select Redline My Changes in the side pane. This will provide a preview of the changes marked up on the right-hand side. If we're comfortable with these changes, we can apply them to the email and hit Send. Finally, let's see how we can accept and reject redline changes you receive from someone else. The email open on screen shows redline changes from a colleague. Let's open the Draftable add-in and select Accept or Reject changes. In this mode, you can accept or reject all changes, and once you're finished, you can create a clean email to share with relevant parties. To learn more about what Draftable can offer your team, visit our website today.